Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Derby City Outlaw right here in the state of Kentucky. Hey Outlaw, we got you ready to go, bud. Tuning alignment. We'll start with RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Just set it 2 watts all the way down, okay? That way you can run that amplifier. It's plenty low. 30 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. Well, obviously it pegs the scale. 250 watt slug in average. Hello, audio. So about 60 bird average. Let's go to peak power. You're reading the top scale. Hello, 1, 2. Hello. Right on 125. Let's roll that RF power all the way down. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still 125 PEP for you. Alright, Derby City Outlaw, this ought to drive it really good. Hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.